Magnets can attract or repel without touching anything. There is a completely invisible force between them. But what is it?
Magnets push and pull.
Whoa, they snap together!
Excellent work, everyone!
Professor Momo, I can feel something between these magnets. But there is nothing there. What is it really?
May, you are feeling one of the fundamental forces of the universe. It comes from the tiniest pieces of the atom itself. Inside every magnet, tiny particles called electrons are all spinning in the same direction.
This creates a magnetic field. In regular iron, they point randomly and cancel out. In a magnetope, they all point together. That teamwork creates the force you feel. The magnetic field forms invisible lines from north to south pole. Iron filings reveal these hidden lines perfectly. They line up along the field. Same poles push apart. The filings can see it, even when we cannot.
You have just made the invisible world visible. That is what science does.
Earth itself is a giant magnet. Its liquid iron core creates a field that protects us from space radiation.
Without it, life could not exist here.
We live inside a magnet?
The lesson? The most powerful forces are often the ones we cannot see.